Hi, this is Christina from thegodlyindianmom.com. Today we will be reviewing two field guides that we loved as a family, and so I thought I would recommend that. These are budget friendly and they are very helpful. Like if you are a new beginner and you're having no idea where to look for things, I think these are a great starter guides, and hence I would like to recommend these two naturalist book. They're by different authors and we're going to go into them and how they look inside. So let's get in. So the first book that we are going to be reviewing today is The Butterflies of India by Peter Smetak. I hope I'm pronouncing this name right. So in our area we have a lot of butterflies, so that was one incentive to buy this book. So how this book looks inside is that it has the name of the butterfly and the size of this butterfly, the description like how can you identify it and where it's found, and what it eats and things like that. It's a very interesting book, and we found a lot of butterflies using this book, and it has been really helpful. So this is one I would highly recommend. And butterflies are really beautiful creatures that are, that really draw us out and draw our interest to seek and to look at them and to keenly observe them, because they're very beautiful. And the second book that I want to recommend is this book called As the Trees and Shrubs of India by Pradeep Sachdeva and Vidya Tongpram. So this book also I found it very helpful because it has it has a similar layout like the previous book. It has the name of the book, its scientific name, and its dimensions like its height and physical description of it, and where it is and what you can get from it, its medicinal value. And so this is a very interesting book, and it has like all the common trees that you would encounter in everyday life. This is not like the comprehensive, like very elaborate kind of book, but I think it does cover all the important trees that we would find in our own area and background. Many of them we were able to find through this particular book, and that is why I think it's a great book, because I think children need to open out books and see if they see something outside. It's very nice if they can come home and open the book and see, oh yeah, this is the tree that we saw outside. And this book does cover all the common tree plants and animals, plants and trees that we encounter outside. So this is definitely a very helpful book, and I really highly recommend this particular book. This is it from me. Until next time, see you. Bye.